Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM News Network. Today, we want to talk about EcoStan Infra. EcoStan Infra was given the contract of cleaning all of the beaches across North and South Goa. And now that we have a third district, it also includes Kushavati. A total of 51 beaches. All the primary beaches are included. Every beach. In this contract, the budget that was given to EcoStan Infra is 90 crore rupees. Yes, this contract is for a 5-year term and the money paid to them is 90 crores. They are supposed to have different capacity ke bins placed at 50 meters distance. So every 50 meters, you're supposed to find a dustbin across Goa, which are nowhere to be found. Also, automatic machines, cleaning machines. They're supposed to have these machines outside every beach, and not just the beach cleaning. They're also supposed to take care of the roads leading up to the beach to clean that. Supposed to have a number of employees fixed for every beach. But nowhere are the employees to be seen. MQM News Network broke the news to you of how an old couple has been hired at the Ashwin beach to clean the entire stretch from Ashwin to Morjam without any equipment. अच्छा मैम, आपका
सुनंदा एकनाथ गोयकर।
आपका पगार कितना है?
13,000।
13,000 आपका 13,000 आपका महीने का। और आपको टाइम पे पैसा मिल जाता है महीने?
ये पहले तो 16 तारीख 17 तारीख
में वो 25 तारीख को ऐसा देता है।
अच्छा।
18 तारीख को ऐसा टाइम नहीं। मैं एक महीना से दूसरा महीना आता है।
ते सगळं तो गेलो तरी आमका सांगता का वाचा निलो तरी परत वाचा म्हणता। दोनदा आमका धाडटा सुपरवायझर आणि मग थंयसून निला आमका जेव काय खाव काय मेळना। नाला पगार कट करतात आमचो।
और अंकल, कोई स्वच्छ भारत अभियान जो होता है, जिसका आपने मतलब यहाँ पे देखिए स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का आपने पहना हुआ है, देख सकते हैं। इको स्टैंड का भी यहाँ पे है। हाँ, इको स्टैंड जो कंपनी है, और स्वच्छ भारत का भी है। स्वच्छ भारत से कोई आया मदद, कुछ भी आया?
कोई नहीं इधर आया।
Now we are close to completing 1 year sign up of their contract of EcoStan Infra, and right now the garbage crisis in Goa is overpowering every possible situation. Anywhere you go, any site, the one problem that locals and residents have been facing continuously is the pile up of trash. Let alone recycling, let alone segregation of waste. Right now, waste is not even being collected and disposed at all. Where is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in Goa? Today, we will also show to you the condition of Swachh Bharat toilets in Goa. There are no toilets to be seen anywhere. There are no dustbins, nothing. And the condition of the existing toilets is beyond belief. Are we इंडियंस नॉट होल्डिंग एनी डिग्निटी? क्या हमारी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, इज्जत नहीं है? जब तक हमारी डेली लाइफ की चीजें एक सिस्टमैटिक रूटीन में नहीं आती, व्हाई विल इंडियंस नॉट स्टॉप मूविंग अब्रॉड, लीविंग इंडिया एंड लेटिंग द इकोनॉमी कोलैप्स एंड स्टार्ट कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द अदर इकोनॉमीज? This is a question that MQM News Network has been repeatedly asking and repeatedly highlighting to all of you. This is Misbah Kadri reporting live from Panjim, the capital of Goa.